Not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for. Please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. May dispose this in the bin near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po. And for guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests needing wheelchair assistance, you are advised to the plane last using the front door for proper ground endorsement. Para po sa mga panauhin na nangangailangan ng wheelchair assistance, kayo po ay huling bababa gamit ang unang pintuan. Maraming salamat po.